Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about Potklor Oral Solution. We coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Walter Bushnell. Potklor Oral Solution. Uses. Potklor Oral Solution is mainly used for the treatment of potassium deficiency, a condition where your body lacks enough potassium to perform vital functions. Benefits. Potklor Oral Solution provides potassium, an essential electrolyte needed for several vital functions in the body. It helps regulate blood pressure, maintain the body's water and pH balance, and ensures proper muscle contraction and nerve function. It also supports heart rhythm, digestion, and overall cellular health. Potassium deficiency can lead to kidney issues, weakness, muscle cramps, irregular heartbeat, or constipation, and this solution helps prevent all these complications, keeping your body functioning smoothly. Side effects. Like all medicines, Potklor Oral Solution may cause mild side effects. These can include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, flatulence, abdominal pain, fatigue, fever, or irritation at the injection site if administered that way. If any of these persist or worsen, consult your doctor immediately. How to use. Take Potklor Oral Solution exactly as prescribed by your doctor. Shake the bottle well before use. Measure the dose with the provided measuring cup and take it by mouth along with food to reduce stomach discomfort. How it works. Potklor Oral Solution works by raising potassium levels in your blood. Potassium is vital for muscle and nerve function, as well as for maintaining heart rhythm and the body's acid-base balance. Restoring potassium levels helps your organs function properly and prevents deficiency-related complications.